Blockchain is a new and emerging technology that offers many benefits to users, with the aim of decentralizing services. It has been called one of the most important technologies since the creation of the Internet. The use of cryptocurrencies is getting more widespread acceptance and is gaining popularity across all age groups. First and foremost, Wall Street is persistently working toward the goal of expanding its operations into the realm of virtual currencies and blockchain technology. Goldman Sachs has announced that it will begin offering loans backed by Bitcoin, and Fidelity has just launched a physical Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in Canada. Additionally, the investment company is excited to launch a Bitcoin fund in the United States, but they are waiting for legislative approval. An infinite number of opportunities are available for beginning a new venture within the blockchain industry. Because digital currencies and the underlying technology that allows them to function have only been around for a little more than 12 years, the industry is still in its infancy. However, there are still many challenges along the way. While this technology has great potential and can change the world as we know it, it is not without its pitfalls. Blockchain technology's primary issue is that it requires computing power that can be prohibitively expensive for most users, especially those outside financial services. While some believe that this lack of accessibility will push users toward other options for digital currency transactions, others do not agree with this view. Focus on solving a more micro issue, finding an accessible blockchain. As a cryptocurrency user, you want blockchain technology to make your transactions as fast, secure, and affordable as possible. Increasing the number of users will help solve this problem, but one other issue is how to interact with blockchain technology effectively. To start a new business in the blockchain industry, it will be necessary to find an accessible blockchain. The only way to access this technology now is through mining or mining with a pool. As many know, mining involves attaching computer hardware to solve math problems to enforce the integrity of the blockchain. Mining with a pool means you will work together with other computer users and essentially divide the reward for successfully solving the problem. In both cases, you can either use an internet connection or purchase supercomputers that are prepared for this purpose and can mine for you. Meet Blockchain, a user-friendly blockchain. Blockchain is a blockchain that is designed for use by everyday users for a variety of reasons, including those who want to get involved in cryptocurrency transactions and earn from the use of the network or proof of contribution users. Regardless of how you want to use this technology, it can be difficult to find an accessible route. This new blockchain offers an entire ecosystem developed with first-time users in mind. Know the blockchain features. The features of the blockchain are data transparency and immutability. They are produced by all transactions. Confidentiality, as no single user has access to all data at once. Decentralization, as each transaction is sent to different addresses that act independently. And resilience, with most cryptocurrencies, the network can be less stable than expected. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are digital records that contain agreements between parties. They can be registered in the blockchain, meaning a transaction will become legally enforceable after it is processed and recorded in the blockchain. This new blockchain allows for the creation of P2P contracts, where people can make simple or connected smart contracts and automate simple business processes. Multiple levels of security. Your security level depends on your own cryptocurrency wallet and your wallet's security measures. You must always confirm your transactions using a private key when transferring money using a blockchain. It requires the use of one or more security options. Use cryptocurrency in every way. Today, it is a commonplace to transfer money with a smartphone application. These programs make it easier for you to manage your account and allow you to receive messages about your transactions in real time. Blockchain, a new generation platform with smart contracts, has solutions that allow users to monitor their accounts in real time and control expenditures. Transaction verification. Thanks to the internet and users' ability to send money using smart contracts, hackers now do not easily steal your money. However, it is important to understand the limitations of this new technology and the solutions to problems that can arise with these applications. Distributed agreement. Blockchain can be used to share information between users and confirm it. For example, this could be useful in verifying the originality of documents. The use of blockchain technology may prove useful in preventing falsification, as it is very difficult to change the main chain with a large number of blocks and anonymous users. Decentralization. Decentralization allows you to pair your cryptocurrency account with any device, including smartphones or tablets. These devices are registered in a wallet, which can be stored at different locations. The same happens when transferring money to and from your wallet to other network users. A significant reason for decentralization is to allow users to use the blockchain offline. Banks and financial institutions are also considering this option for their customers. Simplicity. Due to its distributed nature, no one authority or central server will control all accounts once the system reaches critical mass. Choose the right blockchain platform. If you Google the term blockchain, you will find a long list of different platforms that allow users to create one-of-a-kind applications with various advantages. However, you're likely only familiar with 2 of them. Do you want to check? But before we get into that, let's figure out why we require these platforms. Decentralized applications are typically run in a peer-to-peer network on top of a blockchain. They are computer programs that can either operate on their blockchain, use another blockchain already established, or use only the procedures of a blockchain solution currently existing. To put it another way, if you use a platform that already exists, you do not need to build your blockchain. All you need to do is build your application that will run on top of the platform. It's not as difficult as it sounds. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first platform to use blockchain technology. Bitcoin was the first completely decentralized digital currency that was introduced. Over time, it has become abundantly clear that it is exceptionally safe and reliable. Ethereum. In November 2013, Vitalik Buterin established the cryptocurrency known as Ethereum. The central concept is creating a Turing-complete programming language that enables the development of arbitrary programs, smart contracts, for blockchain and other decentralized application platforms. Review the stages of development. The first stage is a simple cryptocurrency transfer system. Before you get to this point, there are 5 stages that you will need to go through to make it there. First, we need the validation of the currency and its transfer between users. This can be done using a blockchain solution. It makes sense for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to be used for this purpose because they are already established with a proven history of security and usability. Second, we need the ability to issue new currency. This can be achieved using a decentralized application that runs on a blockchain. In short, it's no big deal to release digital money. Third, we need to represent the value of your currency using mathematics and cryptography. The current state of the art in this area is solid as people continue to work on this project daily. Fourth, we need a peer-to-peer exchange that allows users to buy or sell different types of cryptocurrencies. Finally, you will need a system for sharing useful information between users too. Build trust in the blockchain platform with the use of cryptography and mathematics. This is one of the largest problems with blockchain technology. This system has many other potential applications, including business, fraud prevention, accounting, and transport. Acknowledge the benefits of blockchain. We have already talked about the potential of blockchain in helping businesses maintain and manage their own information. Still, there are many other potential applications for this type of system. Let's take a look at some of the most interesting applications. Fundraising. Fundraising is one of the most popular use cases for blockchain technology. Many startups need money to develop their platform and build a network, but the most common way to do so is through an initial public offering or IPO. The well-known attractive feature of this method is the avoidance of middlemen who charge fees for the process. But not only does this method require a large amount of capital, but it also requires going through a lot of red tape and regulations. With blockchain technology, startups can raise funds more transparently and efficiently. Transport. This is a very popular use case for blockchain technology. The transparency and decentralization in the system make it an optimal platform for the delivery of products, especially in the supply chain, where thousands of entities are involved in a single transaction. Supply chain management. This is a very convenient application for blockchain technology. In this case, decentralization allows you to maintain the data on the history of all transactions that have ever taken place in the network. Transparency between all parties is easily achieved due to encryption and cryptography methods. For instance, if a company has a contract with another company and the goods are returned due to a fault, the service provider can update the blockchain and allow information about the fault to be incorporated. This will allow for the fair distribution of goods and timely delivery. Banking. The uses of blockchain in banking are still being explored. Banks are looking at ways in which it can help them to reduce costs and improve security levels. They could use it as an alternative processing system for transactions or as a method of identity verification. Find skilled blockchain developers. Most blockchain developers want to be noticed. However, not everyone can make their dream a reality. The best way to find someone who will help develop your blockchain is by finding the right people. However, it is not just the developers who are required to build a blockchain, many other people can provide support in different areas of expertise. This is why finding the right people and getting experts to work together and build your idea into reality is important. Conclusion. Blockchain technology is going to change a lot of things in the future. It is not just the potential of this technology, but also its potential to become mainstream. This is why it is important to understand the basics before investing. The blockchain will only be as beneficial with understanding what it entails and where its value comes from. So, find a company that can provide you with these insights and gives you exactly what you need to build your blockchain solution.